Colossal Biosciences is a biotechnology and genetic engineering company founded in 2021 by tech entrepreneur Ben Lamm and Harvard geneticist George Church. Its main mission is de-extinction, an ambitious project that seeks to revive vanished species and use the knowledge and technologies developed in the process to conserve endangered animals and restore ecosystems. The company has captured worldwide attention for its approach, which combines cutting-edge science, particularly CRISPR genetic editing technology, with a startup business model. Its vision is that science can not only protect biodiversity but also correct historical errors that led to the disappearance of species. This approach has sparked an intense ethical and scientific debate about the viability and implications of reintroducing extinct animals into the modern world. Colossal's first major milestone came with the de-extinction of the dire wolf, a formidable predator of the Pleistocene that vanished more than 10,000 years ago. Rather than relying on a simple cloning process, the company's scientists turned to genetic engineering. Starting with cells from gray wolves, the dire wolf's closest living relatives, they employed CRISPR technology to reintroduce the animal's defining traits: its larger size, sturdier frame, and massive jaws. The next challenge was gestation. For this, Colossal turned to domestic dogs, chosen as surrogate mothers both for their biological compatibility with gray wolves and for the relative ease of managing canine reproduction. The effort bore fruit in 2024, when the first two dire wolf pups were born, Romulo and Remo, both male. The breakthrough was followed in 2025 by the arrival of Khaleesi, the first female of the reborn species, an unprecedented milestone in synthetic biology. At this time, Colossal is working on equally ambitious projects. The woolly mammoth is the most famous. The goal is to create a hybrid elephant with the mammoth's cold-resistant genes to reintroduce it into the Arctic. The first birth is expected by 2028. The Tasmanian tiger, which went extinct in 1936, is another focus of their work. The company is sequencing its genome to edit that of a living relative, the dunnart. The dodo is also coming back, but this project presents unique challenges because it was an oviparous bird. Unlike with mammals, an embryo cannot be implanted into a surrogate mother. Colossal's plan is to edit the germline cells of the Nicobar pigeon, its closest relative, to produce dodo sperm and eggs. The hope is that by mating two of these chimeric birds, their offspring will be a dodo. This experimental method is technically much more complex, and its success could revolutionize bird conservation. Colossal's work has attracted a diverse and notable group of investors. In addition to venture capital investors, the company is backed by figures such as author George R.R. Martin, who invested and has been very enthusiastic about the dire wolf project. Other notable investors include director Peter Jackson, actor Chris Hemsworth, and entrepreneurs like Thomas Tull and Mark Walter. This financial and media support is a testament to the belief that Colossal's technology can not only revive the past, but also shape the future of science and conservation.